Hi guys, and welcome to 21 Karamu Street, Atatu, Peninsula, Auckland. Now, not in the boondocks in Auckland, not out in the doldrums, 15 kilometres in Atatu Peninsula from the CBD. Not only that, they are significantly under the median house price in this location of $871,000, that's the median. These properties are $640 to $655 for brand new 2-bedroom properties. They're going to be built by middle of next year, and there's only 3 left. First 7 went under contract very quickly. You need to get in quick. Our team can help you lock one of these up in a conditional contract so that you've got time to do your homework, and that will probably include an extension through this period of lockdown with the coronavirus. So you can actually secure one of these now and make use of that time. $640,000 to $650,000, $55,000 for the 10 units. There's cash flows that range from $2,800 to $4,000 per annum based on the different land size that some of these units come with. So pre-tax positive, perfect location, infill housing in Auckland's one of the great suburbs out west, and we can't see anything but this thing going up in value and up in rents whilst it's being built and once it's complete, because you're going to be in a suburb that's significantly more expensive than what we're selling these for, and most of the housing in this location is old and cold, and tenants will be striving to get into these places. So check out 21 Karamu Street, Atatu Peninsula, and hopefully see you there on opening day, middle of next year. Thanks guys.